Attention all educators, are you ready to unlock your full potential and make a lasting impact in your classrooms? Introducing the Empowered Educators Podcast, formerly Educators with Oil Podcast, where host Ronnette Branham guides you on a journey to becoming the most effective teacher you can be.
Hey there, dedicated and enthusiastic educators. I am Ronnette Branham, host of Empowered Educators Podcast under the umbrella of Educators with Oil Podcast. Join me each week as we continue to discuss practical strategies and insights that go beyond teaching methods and focus on what it truly means to be an effective educator. I like biology first. I believe that being an effective educator goes beyond lesson plans and grading papers. It's more than just a job, it's a calling. And together, we'll discover ways to enhance our teaching skills, engage our students, and create a positive learning environment.
Tune in for enlightening conversations, real-world stories, and actionable tips, and much more that will empower you. Ronnette's passion for education and her wealth of experience make this podcast a must-listen for educators at all levels.
Whether you're navigating challenges or seeking new ways to ignite your students' passion for learning, the Empowered Educators Podcast is here to support you every step of the way. Let's embark on this journey together, empowering each other to reach new heights in our classrooms and make a lasting impression on the next generation.
Subscribe to the Empowered Educators Podcast on your favorite platform and join Ronnette Branham in this transformative adventure, because when educators are empowered, students thrive.
Educators, let's unlock our full potential. Meet me here weekly on Empowered Educators Podcast, formerly Educators with Oil Podcast, where our goal is to continue to offer strategies for effective teaching. Thank you and have a blessed day.